We are creating this app as a toy collection app. Here, you have to select one of the two children displayed on the home screen. When you select and click the check button, it will display how many cars and dolls the child currently has. If you want to add more toys than the number of toys, you can click the Add button in front. Then the number of toys displayed will change accordingly. For this app, it is necessary to enter the data of the toy collection and create a table. In the previous lesson, we learned how to go to data and import a table in the data library into this app. But in this lesson, it is not possible to import a table from the data library. We have to create a new table. Let's see how to create this table. I click on data here. We give the name of the table to be created as table name in the data browser section. Let's type as toys collection. Look carefully at the way these words are typed and the way capital and simple letters are used. The letter T in the word toy and the letter D in the word doll are capital letters. You should also give the name in the same way. Not only here, be careful about this in other places of the table. Now, I click the Add button. Okay, now we can create the table. I need 3 columns as name, car and doll. Currently, there is only one column called column 1. I change this column to name. I will add another column by clicking on this plus sign in the next column. The name of this column is given as car by removing column 2. As before, click on this plus sign to add another column. The name of this column is given as doll. See, the first letter of the name in these 3 columns are capital. Okay, now you can enter data into this table. I give Joey for the name. Joey is a word. If it is a word, we should give it as string variables. That is why Joey is given here in inverted commas. After typing 0 in the car column, 0 is typed here in the dolls column. Data has been entered in this row now. Now click the Add Row button. You can see that the row in which I entered the data has been added to the table and there is another row to enter new data. Here the name Ross is given in inverted commas. Let's give 0 for car and doll as before. Right. Now the table is created. I click on Back to Data here again. Now we can see that the table we added is displayed in the Tables section. Now we have finished importing data. I click on Code again. Now let's create the code.